You spend money driving people to your website, whether it's through SEO, Google AdWords, marketing campaigns, or landing pages. You want people to come to your site. Once you've got them there, many will start filling out your forms, applications, or appointment request forms by providing their personal information so that they can become a lead. But for many reasons, maybe the phone rings, kids cry, or 100 other reasons, we all get distracted. Many of these visitors start but do not complete the form. MOV-ology's asynchronous JavaScript sits on the footer of your website, just like all of your other marketing pixels. As the non-completed forms are abandoned, the data is sent in real time to Move's patented servers. Then, MOV-ology's marketing engine generates branded dynamic remarketing messages to the identified abandoners in real time to encourage them to come back to the site and complete their forms, call desired action. Once the lead comes back and completes the form, it comes into your system as a lead and comes out of the MOV-ology system. After all the hard work and magic, MOV-ology provides a monthly report of all the abandoned, recaptured user data for your records. And the best part? You only pay for the leads we bring back. For more information, please visit us at www.move-ology.com.